In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello cards together in 2025, a handy trick that can streamline your workflow and ensure all related tasks are linked and easy to access. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello's homepage. Once there, locate and click the Login button, usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. If you're looking to expedite your login, consider using a password manager to autofill your credentials, ensuring a smooth and efficient entry every time. After successfully logging into your account, navigate to your dashboard where your boards are displayed. Select the board that contains the card you wish to link from. Once on your board, click to open the first card you want to create a connection from. Now inside the card, you should spot three small dots, typically on the right side. This is the action button. Clicking it will present you with several options. Among them, choose Share. This will bring up a window where you can copy the link to your card. Ensure you use your clipboard properly to avoid any mix-ups with your copied content. With the card link copied, exit the card and go to the second card that you want to link to. Open this card and you'll see various fields where you can paste the link you just copied. This could be in the description, a comment, or even as an attachment. Choose the section that best fits your workflow. Keeping in mind that hyperlinks in comments and descriptions can be particularly useful as they stand out visually. After pasting the link in your chosen spot, don't forget to save your changes if prompted. It's also worth double-checking the link to ensure it redirects correctly to the first card. This step confirms that you've created a working connection between the cards. From this point on, any user with access to this board can easily jump between related tasks by following the links, significantly improving navigation through intricate projects. Here are a couple of additional tips to make the most out of this feature. Consider keeping your board organized by clearly naming your cards and using labels for better categorization. This not only promotes clarity but also enhances the efficiency of linked cards. Regularly reviewing your links is also a good idea, ensuring they remain relevant and accurate as the project evolves. And there you have it. You've successfully connected two Trello cards, making task management that much easier. This simple yet effective method can save you and your team time, keeping everything connected and flowing seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and strategies to make the most out of Trello.